Flowise just dropped version 3 not long ago, and I have got to say I'm genuinely impressed. This update brings a ton of usability enhancements that impact not just the user interface, but also how we create and scale agent-based AI systems. If Flowise is new to you, it's a no-code platform designed specifically for building intelligent AI solutions. Whether you are crafting a simple chatbot, a network of AI agents, a complex agentic RAG system, or even a deep research agent, Flowise makes it possible, and more importantly, it makes it easy. Now you may be wondering how this compares to other tools which we normally use like Anyten and Make.com for building AI agents. So Anyten, Make.com, and even Zapier are primarily workflow automation platforms that later added some AI features. Flowise, on the other hand, is built from the ground up with AI at its core. This core difference allows agents to communicate, cooperate, and work together toward completing tasks in a more natural and fluid way. It also simplifies features like human-in-the-loop integration, and it comes with a dedicated document store that makes managing large or complex knowledge bases super convenient. Adding or removing content from your knowledge bases is seamless. Another standout feature is that Flowise is fully open source, licensed under Apache 2. You can check out the GitHub repo and even self-host Flowise for free in your own projects or company environment. Compare that to Make.com, which although is it offers a decent free plan, it becomes costly as your needs grow and as you scale. Anyten has a fair use license model, which is worth considering carefully if you plan to scale your projects using it. That said, I still regularly use both Flowise and Anyten in different scenarios. Anyten is fantastic for automating tasks and offer a broad range of third-party app integrations. Flowise, on the flip side, shines when it comes to building smart agent systems, and yes, it does offer some integrations too. Alright, now back to Flowise. There's a lot to unpack in this new version, but in this video specifically, I'll walk you through getting started with Flowise, whether you want to use Flowise on your local machine or sign up for their free cloud version. To join Flowise Cloud, head over to flowiseai.com. The free tier gives you access to 2 flows, which are essentially your workflows, each capable of hosting multiple agents. You also get 100 monthly predictions, some storage, and advanced tools like evaluations and metrics. If you are just getting started with Flowise, the free plan should be more than enough to get you going. And since it's open source, you can also deploy Flowise locally and get unlimited usage for free, or at least much cheaper than a hosted plan. So let me show you how to set that up. First, make sure Node.js is installed on your system. Visit Node.js.org to download and install it. Once that's done, open your terminal or command prompt and enter the following command. This installs all the required Flowise dependencies. It will take a minute or two. Once installed, start Flowise by running npx Flowise start. Now just open your browser and go to localhost. The first time you visit, it will ask you to create an account by entering your name, email, and a password. Don't worry, this info is stored locally and won't be transmitted over the internet. It is used to protect your local Flowise instance. Fill out the form and click sign up, and welcome to your Flowise dashboard. Now let's explore the interface a bit. On the left, you will see 2 main options, chat flows and agent flows. Chat flows are great for building classic chatbots like those used for customer support. Agent flows, on the other hand, are meant for building multi-agent systems like agent teams that collaborate on tasks. But with version 3, Flowise introduced agent flows v2, and it's a game changer. It's more powerful and flexible than both chat flows and the original agent flows. Whether you are building simple assistant or highly advanced agentic framework, this is the go-to option. In the executions tab, you can view past flow executions. This is helpful for debugging or reviewing any workflow that involves human feedback or decision making. Under the assistance section, you can quickly spin up AI agents without even using the canvas. Just fill out a straightforward form, for example, type in something like demo, and you can build your agent with tools and a knowledge base included right from that interface. Then there's the marketplace, where you will find templates and examples created by other users. You can duplicate these flows and modify them to fit your own needs. Flowise also lets you create custom tools which you can assign to your agents. There's a credentials section where you manage all your API keys for OpenAI, other LLM providers, or any third-party services. You can also set global variables and configure Flowise APIs and SDKs which let you trigger agents externally, such as from Lovable or other integrations. And finally, there's a document store, an incredibly useful feature for building and managing knowledge bases. So that's your full introduction to Flowise version 3, a serious upgrade for anyone interested in building scalable AI-first systems with little to no code. Whether you are just experimenting or building real-world applications, Flowise makes it both powerful and accessible. And if you want to work together, you can book a meeting using the link in description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you then.